Hello, in this video I would like to share one technique for solving quadratic equations. Wherever the graph of a quadratic function intersects the x-axis, f of x equals 0. The value of x for which f of x equals 0 is known as a zero of the function. These values are also known as roots of or solutions to a quadratic equation. Here are some examples. In the first example, we have a vertex at -2, -4. And with an a value of 1, the graph should look like this. To solve an equation, we look for results when f of x equals 0, so we rewrite the function this way. The points where the graph intersects the x-axis represents solutions to the equation. In this case, x equals -4 and x equals 0. We could check these solutions by substituting these x values into the equation. First, we'll check -4. The quantity of -4 plus 2 squared minus 4 equals 0, as we expected. Next, we'll check 0. The quantity of 0 plus 2 squared minus 4 is also 0, as we expected. Thus, our solutions are confirmed. Please try the next two examples on your own. Identify the vertex and a value for each function before graphing, then rewrite them as equations equal to 0. Finally, identify the solutions from the graphs and check your answers. Please pause the video now and resume playback shortly to check your work. We can also solve quadratics written in standard form by first transforming the functions into vertex form, then solving using the same methods. Here are two examples. Please pause the video and try these on your own. If necessary, please review the methods practiced in prior lessons while completing these problems. In addition to graphing by hand, we could also use a graphing tool to look for solutions to quadratic equations. In fact, these tools are helpful when solutions exist at real numbers that are not integers. Websites such as desmos.com and geogebra.org are nice web-based tools with phone apps that can be used to illustrate this concept. Unfortunately, these are not permitted for use during standardized tests and sometimes prohibited by teachers in traditional classrooms. However, they are great tools for practice and checking work. I'll show this last example using Desmos. First, navigate to www.desmos.com. After the page loads, select the button that reads Start Graphing. The function bar is shown on the left side of the screen, and this is where you will enter the functions that are to be graphed. In this case, f of x is 1/2 x squared minus 3x plus 3. The function can be entered by typing on the keyboard or by using the on-screen keyboard as I did here. We can then click the points where the parabola intersects the x-axis for our solutions. We can even locate the vertex by clicking that point on the screen as well. I encourage you to research different graphing tools such as graphing calculators and find one that's comfortable to use and permitted for your situation. Good luck!